Hello and welcome to the Tarkus Zone. Thank you for joining me. Today I go with Ego and we just got done finishing mowing the lawn, and I'm going to show you what I was able to accomplish on one fully charged, 100% charged batteries. And right now the tractor's at 12%, but when I finished up my mowing I was at 8%. Now I did mow at the highest blade speed level 3. But the acceleration speed I only had at level 2. So I just want to let you know what it is I was able to mow. So let's first walk back here. I know this is going to be kind of not a mowing video, but just really what I was able to do on a full charge. Okay, I think you can see that canoe in the back there next to that snack bar. I got all the way up there done. This grass was really tall. I just did all of this here. So you see that purple building right there? That's where I stopped. So I got all of this mowed. Everything you see here got mowed. It's quite a big lawn. I mean, I've been mowing it for years with my John Deere. So I got all this mowed. I mowed the top of the driveway because the top of the driveway, there's a grass spot. Did all this. Now I did all this side of my driveway up to that garden there. So everything you see here up to where that big bush is, got all this done. I got in front of the lawn in front of the gazebo here. I mowed all of this. And then, as you can see, all of that lawn in front of the gazebo, that patch of lawn next to the picnic table. Tractor doesn't fit through this awning here, or this gate, so I've got to go around the other way, and what I do is I weed whack that. But I was able to mow all of this. Yeah, it's a me walking around video. I was able to mow all the way up to the werewolf, up to that side of the pond, a little bit there. I mowed all of this. I mean, it did great with the new blades that we got. I got amazing how nice it mows now with a good set of blades. I mowed all this next to the pond. Mowed this here. It's my little weight bench here. I actually do use it. Mowed this. Mowed back there. Mowed here. This puts me back to where I pointed out where the canoe was. Right there. So I'd stop mowing right here. But that's it, folks. I did it on the highest blade speed, second highest acceleration speed, and I got all that done. And some of this was really thick. We had a lot of rain the last couple days. I kind of let it go. As you can see here, I didn't mow any of this, and you can see that grass is thick. You know, in some spots it was as thick as what you see here. So I'm mowing moist, thick grass, and that's what I was able to accomplish from 100% battery to, I mean, obviously there's 6 batteries in it, right? 2, 4, 6 batteries in it. So they were all 100% charged. Got it, here's the ducks talking to me. Got it down to 8%. Then I parked it here at the barn, and now we're charging it. But you can see how quickly it charges. So even if you find yourself not able to get everything you want done, you can easily just quickly charge it. Sometimes one of these will blink red. You'll see it. It just means that that battery is, yellow, orange. It means those batteries on the low side. I mean, I really drained these today. I know when they get up there to past 25%, you'll just see the green flashing. But what will happen is this will get solid green and go around here until they're all solid. The system, really, you don't really need to open that up at all, because the system here is going to tell you where you're at. So I would suggest charging it as much as you can before getting back on it. I don't think I would really want to run it. If I were to say I had more lawn to do, I would wait until I got to 35% again. Get up to 35%, then get back on it and finish up what you're doing, or just wait until the thing gets back to 100%. I mean, it's always nice to start off with a 100% battery. This way, if you just decide to do something else or just drive around with it. What I do love about this tractor is the batteries last forever if you don't engage the deck. If the deck is not engaged and you're just tooling around on this thing, I think I was on it for like 5 hours the other day moving dirt around, and I think I got 5% off the 100. So it got down to 95%. So it was like 1% an hour. And that was on the second acceleration. So, there's like 3 acceleration levels. You got, 1, 2, and 3. I really been running this thing at the second one all the time. And it was like 1% an hour is what I was taking off the batteries when I'm just driving it around and hauling dirt around. So that's really nice. So if you're just one of those weekend warriors that like to sit on their tractor with a beer and listen to music through your earbuds and drive or tool around your neighborhood, or if you live in an RV park, instead of the golf cart tooling around, just get on this thing, because this thing's super, super quiet and it doesn't use that much energy to run it outside of the mower deck. You know what I mean? All right. Well, thank you for joining me. And this has been the Tarkus Zone.